Hi guys, this is Akshat and welcome to another fun session of Introduction to Cryptography. We who are blessed can communicate without any difficulty. Well, I said, what if our life goes on mute? Then comes this brilliant method of communication. Use your hands. So today we will learn about sign language. Sign language comes as a miraculous aid to deaf and dumb people. It enables them to express their thoughts using their facial expressions, their hand gestures, and the finger spelling. Sign language requires the right combination of movements, eye gaze, and the hand shakes to convey a message. These are the signs corresponding to 26 English alphabets.
We have all the letters over here and we need just our hands to represent these letters. Let's get started.
The sender shows a series of these signs by using their hands and they would make a word or a meaningful sentence. The reader or the receiver of the message decodes the letters that correspond to all the signs. Let's see one example.
Message that we want to deliver is hey, and this is how we will represent it. H E Y. Hey.
You can make a message of your own choice using sign language. Communicate with your friends using signs without anyone interfering and stealing your thoughts. Or you can also play dumb charades with this. Just instead of acting, use signs. Okay? But before that, I want to say something. No, I won't say it. See it and decode it.
But this time we won't be using the help of the cards. Well, did you guess it? If you guessed it, goodbye, then you're right.
I hope you guys liked the activity. If you did, well, you guys know what to do. Like it, share it, comment your thoughts, and I'll see you in another session with another fun activity that will revolve around sending secrets using a flashlight and Morse codes.
Till then, like our channel, subscribe to it for more fun videos.
See you!